burning 500 more calories each level until I reach 5,000 in one go. Today is level 5, 1,000 calories on the bike, 1,500 running on the trail. Let's get started.
1. The biking section is complete. An hour, 37 minutes, 12 miles, 999 calories. Trail running starting now. Have to do 1,500 calories. Have no idea how long it's gonna take. And I don't do long distance, so we'll see what happens. Barely feel my legs after that ride, but just gonna keep on going. 1,500 more calories. A little over halfway with the 1,500 calorie trail run, 4.75 miles. Legs are dying. Finally done with the running portion. I started off running, then it turned into a hike because I was so gassed. So hour, 53 minutes, 8.7 miles, total calories, 1,502. So adding the run and the bike ride together, I hit 2,500 calories, and I'll add the times.